Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Variety of Crochet. I hope my beautiful crochet lovers will be fine. Now I have beautiful ideas, multicolor, different beautiful funny dogs, crochet pattern. Beautiful ideas. I hope my friends like this wonderful ideas and beautiful pattern. So if you also love my ideas in my channel, so please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video and enjoy these beautiful ideas all about of knitted pattern, handmade beautiful dogs, the beautiful colors, beautiful thread. Stay connected, take care of yourself. Will watch this video till the end, giving me feedback in comment section. Bye bye.